brief one in English.
Okay. The court today declined the mandatory recount on the grounds that 5 boxes were open. For the recount to take place, all the seals must be there. So I don't know how in the Electoral Commission stores 5 boxes were open. So it is good for us that we did not go for a recount in that kind of environment, because we don't know who opened it. It could be our enemy. So in the circumstance, we are just waiting for the Electoral Commission to do the gazette, and after doing the gazette, we are filing a fully fledged petition in the High Court. So it should only be a fool to celebrate. It should only be a fool to celebrate, because this judgment is very clear that we have not recounted, and he has also stated the grounds that the integrity of the boxes were compromised. So it is only this that the High Court will use to nullify the results. So the struggle continues. We are not going to relent. We are not going to give up. This is just the beginning. We just threw this water in the stone to see how deep it is, and we have seen how deep it is. So we'll begin the battle from there.